My name's Thomas Bailey. I've been working for Oceana for 9 years, this month actually. I'm the field supervisor over shovels and excavators and blast hole drills. In the very beginning, we had a lot of struggles, issues with the cat engines on them. End up having problems with valve train from getting too hot, intake air being too hot, air filters getting clogged up, pre-cleaners being stopped up. They did have a lot of trouble with the air system, VIT sensor issues, linear actuator issues. We've gotten better especially over the last 2 years. Worked really diligently with the Sandvik team and Blanchard Caterpillar. They gave us a big hand in trying to get everything straight with the intake systems and all that kind of good stuff. I think it works with Sandvik because of the people that work there. Matt Hilliard and Adam Kressler, Don White, they've always been really good to me, and they answer the phone anytime you call them, help you any way. They'll pull as many strings as they can when you really need somebody to pull through. In the last year, we've done a lot of PCR work. We've done a lot of digging on issues, small issues that we've had in the last 5 years, and we've gotten our breakdowns to probably an all-time low of the last 5 years in the last 8 months. If somebody called me and asked me about buying Sandvik equipment, I would tell them now that I think they sell a pretty decent product. Their service is good, and the people that work there will help you any way they can to get their parts or services to you. Right now, they're performing the best they have in the last 5 years. But we've done, like I said, we've done a lot of work to them in the last 8 months to get them where they are now, and a lot of training with our OGC people in general. And also Sandvik has worked with their techs to get training as well. If I was going to tell somebody if they were purchasing one, I would say go with the iCab, don't buy the standard. It is very small and there's not very much room. That would be my biggest thing, and I would know that would be from an operational standpoint as well. When I get up in the morning, I look forward to coming to work and face the challenges that the day comes up with any of the blast hole drills that we have.
My name's Chris Terry. I'm field superintendent here at Haile Gold Mine, cover the drill fleet and loading fleet. In the last year since I've kind of headed up the drill fleet, we've done some MTBFs on them, took them down, brought them back up. Reliability is improving quite significantly in the last 8 months. It's kind of a partnership, their support and then our maintenance and upgrading our maintenance program to meet the needs of the machine. It's went from supplier and whatnot to more of a partnership and a team experience. Just in the last year since my involvement in it, it's really grown, and just the fluency and transparency and partnership is greatly increasing. Well, y'all have a resident here, Jason Duke with Sandvik, that's very helpful and forthcoming with info, and helps in the training process of our technicians as well. They're real good about sending us out product updates, safety bulletins and stuff, and then as far as coverage, getting components and parts, to do these upgrades with, they're very helpful with that as well.
My name is Greg Wright. I'm a reliability engineer with the open pit maintenance team at Haile Gold Mine. Primary responsibilities focus on equipment health and forecasting for planned maintenance around things like oil analysis and equipment alerts. So the remote monitoring service has provided value for the drill maintenance team by sending diagnosis instructions. That has helped us in work order writing or in training technicians. It's helped with differential diagnosis, eliminating potential false paths and speeding up some of the repairs that we have to do. It benefits the planning team by speeding up some of their work order writing process, and it benefits the execution team with the instructions given. It allows the technician to take a very specific instruction set to the piece of equipment to try and diagnose the issue, and not have to go through a lengthy manual in order to get to the root of the problem unless if more is found. So since implementing RMS, there's a lot more regular communication between Sandvik, remote monitoring service, and their team, and our maintenance execution group. Also, the planners and the reliability group are getting improved information on a more regular basis as well. So it's generally an improved familiarity across the group. So when we get alerts from the RMS system, either from checking the website or emails from the monitoring team off-site, it allows us to determine if it's related to a genuine maintenance event or if it is something that might have been triggered during a PM or another diagnosing event in the testing and adjusting procedures. So then we can better prioritize the level of response that we need. And what's been helpful is that while RMS tends to be a not a lagging indicator, but more of trend gathering and then reporting upon trends, when some of those more urgent alarms have popped up, there's been pretty rapid communication from the RMS team. The improvement we see is when the RMS team notifies us of an issue and either our technicians or Sandvik technicians go in and follow up. It further refines how those alerts come through to us in the future. And so they can identify if the alert was valid and if the diagnosing instructions and repair instructions were good, or if it was an alert that might be better handled with a different maintenance strategy. I would say that since implementing RMS, the communication has increased between our group and RMS. We get pretty regular communications from the RMS team, reaching out, and also not just sending in information and leaving it. They often follow up to see how their input was utilized on site and how they can improve. It's definitely a tool that I look forward to using more to help run down any frequent issues or recurring issues and how we can try to eliminate them. I want to give a pat on the back to the RMS team, Brian Franco and Chris Ewing specifically. And I know there's more folks there that are supporting, but they're pretty quick to communicate and to seek to help.